First, we'll attach the motor to the mast of the hydrofoil. Just slide it in like this. Then, thread the strap through here. If the strap is too long, we'll trim off the excess. Then, choose the right hole on the buckle, pull it tight, and secure it. This will make sure the motor is nice and firm. Next, we'll install the wire clip. Adjust it to the right position and use waterproof tape to secure the wires, the clip, and the mast together. Now, let's install the battery. Align it with the slot in the main unit as shown in the video. Once it's fully inserted, give it an extra push to make sure it's connected. Then, plug the motor cable into the main unit and fasten it with the included screws. Next, turn on the remote control, then switch on the battery. Check the signal, hold down the minus button for 3 seconds to unlock, and press the throttle to check if the propeller spins. You'll see the throttle level shown on the remote. If everything looks good, close the other half of the main unit and snap both sides shut. Finally, use the 4 screws to secure the main unit between your board and the hydrofoil. Attach the antenna to the board surface, and you're all set to ride.